Hey guys, welcome back and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's tutorial I'm going to share with you this party look right here, and for that I have created this blue and pink half cut crease eye look and paired it with a pinkish nude lipstick. I know there are so many occasions are coming up like Thanksgiving, 31st night, 1st January, Christmas, and so many. I think this look is perfect for all those occasions. And if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever you upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm applying my Milani concealer as my eyeshadow primer, and I have already done my brows off camera using my Wet n Wild eyebrow pomade in the shade Espresso, and I also cleaned up the borders of my brows. Now I'm taking this Coty Airspun loose powder in the shade Translucent Extra Coverage and just setting the concealer so that it doesn't crease. Now I'm taking this light pink color from my Rimmel London Cherry palette, I believe, and I'm just applying it as my transition color, and I'm just slowly building up the pigmentation because I do not want any kind of patchiness. For your convenience, I'm going to list all the products that I'm using in this video in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. I'm taking this dark berry pink shade from the same palette and I'm just applying it on top of the previous shade to give it a nice depth and definition. I'm taking this dark brown called Reveal from my Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette, and I'm just applying it on my outer V area as well as slightly on my crease. Now I'm taking this beautiful shimmery blue color called Showtime, and I'm just applying it on the center of my eyelid. I'm not applying it on my inner corners because I'm going to be applying a different shade on my inner corner, and this is a stunning shimmery blue color, and I just switched to a brush for that precise application. I'm taking Exposed, which is a beautiful shimmery silver shadow, and I'm just applying it on my inner corner, and at the same time I'm just blending it out with the blue shade to avoid any kind of harsh line. Taking the dark brown eyeshadow, I'm just applying it between the shimmery blue shade and the brown shadow to create a nice like gradient effect. Now I'm taking this Milani Hypnotic Lights Eyetopper in the shade 05 Prismatic Lights, I believe, and I'm just applying it on top of the blue eyeshadow. These eyetoppers are so good. They can transform any look to a glam look instantly. I'm just creating a nice wing using my Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade Black. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base, then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, I'm taking my Benefit POREfessional primer and I'm just applying it on my T-zone, and I'm kind of patting it down. I'm not rubbing it at all. I tend to get oily throughout my T-zone, though I am pretty dry right now, but I like to apply this primer on my pores specifically. Now I'm taking this Milani Soft Focus Glow Complexion Enhancer in the shade Nude Glow, and I'm just applying it on the rest of my face. This is such a stunning product. It gives your face a very nice luminous effect, and it doesn't contain any glitter or shimmer. Now I'm taking this Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation in the shade MN3, and I'm just applying it all over my face and neck. It has a big doe foot applicator, which I do not really like, but you know. I'm just buffing it in using my Flower Beauty sponge. This is a damp sponge, by the way. And this foundation gives you a sheer coverage. I won't say it's a medium coverage foundation. It is a sheer to buildable full coverage foundation. You can build it up and it will not become cakey, but it looks stunning on the skin. Now I'm taking the same Milani concealer in the shade 135 and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes in a bigger triangular shape, and it will act as a cream highlighter and as a concealer. and on the chin, sides of my mouth, cupid bow, now the bridge of my nose, and on the center of my forehead. Now again, I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This one is from Studio 35. The Flower Beauty sponge, it is good, but it doesn't have a pointy end, and I feel like it is not that great for applying your concealer or for blending out your concealer underneath your eyes. So I switched to a different smaller sponge. See, it just fits right on my inner corners perfectly. I'm taking the same Coty Airspun loose powder, and I'm going to set my under eyes as well as my smile lines. Today I'm not going to bake because I'm already very dry, and if I bake, my under eyes will become really dry, so I do not want that. So I'm not baking today. To set the rest of my face, I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the shade NC42, and I'm just setting the rest of my face. Now I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tight lining my eyes using my Jordana Easyliner in the shade Divine Blue. Now taking the same blue eyeshadow, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line. And now taking the dark berry pink eyeshadow, I'm just applying it on the border of that blue eyeshadow just to make everything look put together. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm just applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. This is my one of favorite mascaras of all time. For my falsies, I'm going with this Beautiful and Fox Mink lashes. These lashes are so good. You need them in your life, you guys. I will link them down in the description bar below. Please do check that out. They are really easy to apply and they look stunning. They're not like overly dramatic at all. And now I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Flower Beauty highlighter palette, which I'm going to use later for my face as well. And here is the final eye look. I'm going to finish my face. For that, first I'm taking this light brown shade from my NYX Cosmetics highlight and contour palette, and I'm just applying it on the hollows of my cheeks. Basically, I'm just contouring it, and it is so good. I love this palette. And I'm just contouring with an angled brush from Puna store. And you know that will, right? Like the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline, to eliminate all those double chins, and as well as my nose. And for that, I'm using an eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. This is like my favorite tool for contouring my nose. I'm taking this Bareminerals Invisible Bronzer in the shade Tan, and I'm just bronzing up my face even more. I love bronzing. It just gives my face a very nice warmth, sun-kissed glow, which I absolutely love. I'm taking this beautiful pinkish blush from the palette, and it is called Hidden Secret, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks. It is stunning, but it is very pigmented, so you have to be really careful. Now I'm mixing these two shades together from my Flower Beauty highlighter palette, and I'm just highlighting the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, and this is stunning. And recently I've been applying highlighters on the apples of my face, and I think it looks so stunning. And down the bridge of my nose, chin, cupid bow on the sides of my forehead. To set my makeup and to lock everything in its place, I'm taking this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and I'm just setting the entire makeup with it. For my lips, first I'm lining my lips using my Wet n Wild Perfect Powder Gel Lip Liner in the shade Lay Down the Mauve. This is a perfect like mauvish pink shade, and I love the formula of these lip liners as well. If you are looking for a creamy, long-lasting drugstore lip liner, then you can totally give it a shot. These lip liners are really good. For my lipstick, I'm going with this Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Dazed, and look at the shade. Isn't it so beautiful? It is like a perfect like brownish pinkish color, and it is so stunning. And I have a couple of dupes in my collection for this particular lip shade, so stay tuned, I'll be uploading them soon. Now I'm taking this e.l.f. clear lip gloss and I'm just applying it on top of the liquid lipstick because I was craving for a glossy lips, and this lip gloss again is beautiful. And that's pretty much it. And here is the final look. I truly love how it turned out. It is so festive, so colorful, and I love wearing colorful makeups during festive season. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.